Okay, well, I'm here in Sydney after 3 hours of finally making it through customs. I finally made it. Right now I am waiting for my buddy to get home. It's really cool that you have a world phone, but I don't even pick up roaming here, which is really crazy. But I don't know. It's very humid. Hopefully someone comes up and picks me up sooner or later. We'll see. But I'm over here kicking it by one of these bridges, so I'm going to show you real quick. Can I see the Australian flag on the top there as it goes down and around and off over yonder. And over here it looks like there's some kind of crazy destroyer or some shit.